Hey there, solar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of solar street lights and focusing on something crucial: maintenance. If you've ever wondered how to keep your solar street lights shining bright, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through a comprehensive maintenance checklist to ensure your lights stay in top shape. First up on our checklist is a visual inspection. Take a stroll around your solar street lights and look for any physical damage, loose connections, or debris. A clean and intact system ensures optimal performance. Next, let's talk about those solar panels. They're the heart of your system. Keep them clean from dust, dirt, or any obstructions. A simple wipe down can significantly boost efficiency and keep the energy flowing. Wrapping it up, this checklist covers the basics, but it's essential. Regular checks can extend the life of your solar street lights and maintain their effectiveness. If you found this checklist helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more solar wisdom. Until next time, keep harnessing the power of the sun.